to the ground. The jumper wire connected to the Bluetooth module. USB cable connected to the laptop and Arduino UNO. The commands go to the mobile. When we on the mobile and tap the on, the light will blink, and when we off the switch, the light will be off. We program on laptop and we go and verify and upload it. The commands go to the Arduino Uno and Arduino Uno to breadboard, and breadboard to Bluetooth register to mobile.
Traffic codes. Here we used it is very useful for police, and when the people do not believe that it can work entirely through mobile, and when a police gave a command, the people cannot hear and they rejected the answer and they move forward. When he on the mobile, then the light will glow and the people automatically stop and the engines also will slow down.